The Lean Launchpad for Synthetic Biology program held at Imperial College in London runs for 11 weeks from February to April. The program starts with a 3-day kickoff. Classes will be taught by Steve Blank and Jerry Engel. The program ends with a 2-day wrap-up session 11 weeks later. We will meet every week on Wednesdays. These 3-hour sessions from 4 till 7 will be in the evening. We will meet in person every other week at Imperial. Alternate weeks we will be a virtual class on Skype. The Lean Launchpad for Synthetic Biology program covers a number of topics, including business model and customer development, value proposition, customer segments, distribution channels, customer relationships, revenue models, partnerships, key resources and costs, business model canvas, and storyboarding. Lectures take the students through each of the business model canvas components, while teaching them the basics of customer development. Lectures come in 2 parts. First, the basic lectures have been put online at Audacity to flip the classroom and are assigned as homework. Second, instructors follow up on those basic lectures with more advanced material or domain-specific lectures. Each week's class is organized around students hypothesis testing their business model assumptions outside the classroom. They accomplish this by talking to 10 to 15 customers, capturing their business discovery progress, and updating their business model canvas, taking what they'd learned and assembling a 10-minute lessons learned presentation to be delivered in class, engaging with mentors, and assigned reading. The Lean Launchpad for Synthetic Biology program seeks to provide real-world entrepreneurial experience. The class is designed to emulate the pace, uncertainty, and pressure of a startup. Communication is relentlessly direct and can feel brusque and impersonal. This class will push people past their comfort zone. To aid teams, mentors with entrepreneurial experience will be assigned to each team. Also, advisors with domain expertise are an on-call resource for all teams. The Lean Launchpad for Synthetic Biology program requires a high degree of commitment. Teams have to commit to a minimum of 20 hours of work per week. Teams are expected to complete 10 in-person interviews each week. In the second and third weeks, teams are expected to increase this number to 15 each week. Over the course, teams will have completed more than 100 interviews to generate the business model. Projects are treated as real startups, so the workload is intense. Admission to the Lean Launchpad for Synthetic Biology program is by interview. Places on the course are limited, therefore admission is highly selective. 3-person teams must apply. Selection is based on best teams rather than best projects. We are looking for a balanced team with passion. Teams with simply great ideas but inability to implement typically fail. Teams will self-organize and establish individual roles. For consideration, fill in the business model canvas and team information sheet that follow.